Okay, folks, so here is the tree so far. This is tree terrain, and you can see all the stuff I added to the base, right? There's the base, and you can see I decorated with some phlox, some pieces of plastic vegetation I had lying around, some foam stones here that I made, and there's the bark of the tree, nice and craggy, right? And then the canopy, which I'm working on finishing, I added some moss to the canopy, and that helps really create a sort of raggedy, clump, a very random kind of ragged clump. And that's in preparation for the flock. I'm going to be adding spray glue to the canopy and then adding flock to finish it up, and that'll cover all of these little foam bits that you see here. So I'm not concerned about covering all the foam with moss. I just want like a nice irregular clump on the canopy, so when I do add the flock, it'll be nice and irregular, so it won't be so uniform. All right, so there's the canopy of the tree, and I'll probably add some vines and to it, and it'll be a nice tropical tree for any kind of tabletop setup. All right, here's some of the flock that I'll be using, and this is homemade flock, and I made a whole new batch of this today, so I'll have plenty of flock to finish this project. Thank you, folks. There's the tree.